What's up guys, this is Josh and I am going to unbox the Takata Drift 3 Series 4-point harnesses for my Nissan Skyline R32 GTR. Not to be resold in North America or Japan. Oh, that's kind of funny. Got these on Amazon and I'll have a link down below if you guys want to pick up a pair. These are of course made in Germany. Takata of Japan opened up a production facility in Germany about I think about 10 years ago or so. So let's take a look at these and we're gonna go ahead and install them because I plan on doing some lap days and some track days if the track ever opens up again with this whole coronavirus crap going around. These look pretty nice. Alright, so I've got these kind of set up how they're going to go in the car. So you can see the nice wide shoulder straps. Everything is nice, tightly woven. Stitching looks really good. I like that these are mostly black but have that traditional green. I just didn't want to do the green because I thought they would just kind of stand out a little bit too much. You get your nice, tightening straps. You got your conventional factory buckle that everybody's used to in a typical car. So a nice lap belt buckle. This is all your mounting points. And these even come with some bolts in the box. I'm just going to reuse my factory hardware, of course. Comes with the instructions manual. Nice slap sticker. And a smaller sticker, that's kind of cool. It's the part number, manufacturer date, 2019. Little tightening strap here as well. And then the back buckle looks like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set the seat belts into the car on the seat and see what they look like. So those are the 3-inch harness straps and 6 inches total, which fit still pretty good in the factory seat. And there's there's fabric around it, but there's like hard backing underneath, so it's really supported. They look good in here, buckled up. And then this is gonna secure to the bolting point down here. And then the back ones will go into where the seat belt attachments are. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bottom part of the back seat so I can get those in. And I'm gonna also have to unbolt the front seat because I need to attach this bracket into here, which there's no access to get to that. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and undo the bolts, get that done, and we'll check it out. This is the side of the driver's seat, and I went ahead and used the bolt that came with the Takata just so it would space out the seat bracket enough so it could still pivot. So you can see that this can still pivot. I gotta tighten it down, but so we're inside the GTR in the back seat. Went ahead and removed the bottom part of the back seat, and we're gonna attach the seat belt harness brackets to these points here. And this is just to show you that the rear brackets, they have to be bent into position in order to fit perfectly. But you don't want to bend them multiple times because it'll weaken the metal. So you can see they start out straight like that. And this one here, I had to bend in order to get the proper angle for this seat harness to come up. So I've got to finish this one here, which I'm gonna have to put like about a 90-degree bend in. And what I've been doing is mounting the thing into position and then slowly bending it by hand. So I've just been like pulling and prying to slowly bend it into position and get it exactly where I want. Now I can unmount that and then reattach the factory rear seat belt. So it looks like that there. I've got the 4-point harness bracket, I've got the OEM seat bracket, and then the factory bolt. and it's more than long enough to support it all. I went ahead and replaced all the carpet floor padding since I was in here. I replaced the inside floor carpet, the terra firma carpet. They'd send me a backup carpet because the other one wasn't cut properly, so went ahead and cut out this padding to fit in the back so it's all refreshed and renewed. And I'll set the back seat in and we're done. I really took my time as I got the seat into my normal seating position before I tightened everything down and made sure I got all the angles perfect on the stuff. Same thing on like the bracket back there behind the seat. I made sure I sat in the seat and test fitted everything, and then once I was in perfect position I tightened everything down, bent it all into position, and it should be nice, safe, and sturdy. Install is all done, and on this rear bracket I had to go ahead and remove the factory seat belt bracket, which I wasn't going to be using anyway, but having this thing still there was getting in the way of the bracket. There was really no way, so it had to be removed. I just put the factory caps back on there. It turned out pretty good, looks nice. And then this is the fitment of the harness in the rear seat. So it looks good. Fits nice and clean. If I have to stick somebody in there, I can. Most likely nobody will ever sit back there. But yeah, we are all done, and most importantly is how do they perform. So let's hop in the car. Let's take this thing around a couple of twists and turns and step on the gas and have a little fun and see how they hold me in. Alright, in the car, let's see how these do around some corners. Definitely feel way more planted in the seat than the stock seat belts. That's the one thing I missed about my old WRX with my Sparco seats, is I had the Sparco harnesses that really held me into position. So yeah, now I'm not fighting to have to hold myself in. Much better. Yeah, these things are awesome. And they're pretty comfortable too. I like the 3-inch thickness on them. Is definitely better than the thinner, like 2-inch Sparco harnesses that I had in the past. And same thing, like they make the Drift 2 series, which is 2 inches on the shoulder strap. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth the extra money to get the 3-inch shoulder strap. Alright guys, well I'd say these harnesses are definitely a big plus, big win. I've got the handling and the braking and the performance of the vehicle, and I've got the harnesses to hold me in place so I can really utilize that without having to fight myself into the seat. So yeah, I think these are definitely worth the money, and I'm happy that I bought them. But anyway guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate it. But anyway guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.